In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows, clarify details, 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to Asana at app.asana.com. On the login page, enter your work email address, click continue, then type your password and choose login. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts to finish signing in. Once you land on your Asana homepage, confirm you're in the correct workspace and project area. You're ready to clarify your process. First, map the real flow of work. List the major stages your work passes through, then break those stages into the concrete tasks people actually do. Think in plain language like intake, review, approval, and delivery, and capture the handoffs between people or teams so nothing gets lost in transition. Next, be precise about the outcome you're aiming for. Write down the goal of the workflow in one sentence, then add measurable success criteria such as turnaround time or quality checks. Clear goals will drive the structure you're about to build and make it easier to refine as your team uses it. Identify who participates in the workflow. Note the roles, not just names: requester, reviewer, approver, producer. Clarify responsibility for each stage and who owns final decisions. This prevents bottlenecks and ensures every task has an accountable owner from start to finish. Translate all of that into Asana by creating a new project. Choose a list or board layout that matches how your team thinks. Create sections or columns for each stage, then add tasks for each step you captured. Use custom fields for priority, due dates, or status to keep information consistent, reportable, and easy to filter. Open the workflow builder to connect the dots. Use it to define triggers and actions, such as moving tasks to the next stage when a field changes, notifying assignees, or creating follow-up tasks automatically. Start simple and layer on complexity over time, so automations support the way your team already works. Enhance your project with forms, rules, and approvals. Forms standardize intake so requests arrive complete and ready to start. Rules automate repetitive updates, assignments, and reminders to reduce manual work. Approvals add structured checkpoints with clear yes or no decisions and captured feedback in one place. Finally, connect the tools your team already uses. Asana integrates with Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, and many others, so tasks can be created from messages, deadlines appear on calendars, and updates surface where conversations happen. That's the workflow, clarified and built in Asana, ready for your team to use with confidence.